Hello, you are with JP, on the Gold Coast. Like every morning, you start your computer, and then
your computer restart because of a problem. Click report, click show details, identify GPU, panic.cpp:170.
Don't panic, it's just a capacitor that has failed. We'll see in this tutorial how to replace it. Unscrew the 10 screws and remove the bottom laptop. Then unscrew and disconnect the battery, then remove it. Carefully disconnect the 10 connections attached to the motherboard. Unscrew all the screws holding the motherboard in place. To remove the 2 fans, disconnect the 2 connectors and remove the 6 screws. Be careful, when removing the motherboard, there is still a connection inside in the corner. Identify the capacitor to be replaced. Set up your hot air soldering station to 350 degrees and desolder the faulty capacitors. Clean up the old solder joint with copper wool. Then, solder the new capacitor. Put all the components back inside the box. Gently reconnect all the connections. Be careful, 3 screws are a different size.
Thank you for watching.